Hey there, people. How's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Blistex Medicated Lip Ointment. Now, don't get this confused with the lip balm, okay? Blistex Medicated Lip Ointment is really just for, it's not for keeping your lips, soft and smooth and all that, or keep them from being dry. This is for if you have like blisters or cold sores, things like that, because with the itching on your lips, from those things, it gets irritating and it's really hard to bear sometimes. Some people have it really bad and it can get pretty bad. This is a actual medicine to actually soothe and provide relief for those kind of things, pain and itching and discomfort due to the lip sores and blisters. Cold sores and stuff like that are very, very common, and Blistex, it does well. I mean, when you use this, you're still going to feel it. The soreness, but it numbs it pretty good. It makes it, bearable until it heals. Now, I don't use this very often, but maybe once or twice a year, but when I do use it, it does the job. Every now and then I'll get like a fever blister or something, and I'll put this on there, and it helps a lot. It really does. It has 4 different medications in it to help soothe the pain or deal with the pain. Yeah, so it's not like the lip balm will go on clear. This is it's like a cream. The consistency is like, you see, it has the flat edge, so you can wipe it on your lips, kind of like a lipstick, and it comes out like a cream, see? Yeah. So, and this cream, it's kind of the consistency of, say, like a glue, kind of not real loose, but not real hard either, you can put it on there and rub it in pretty nice, and it's not going to take too much effort to do that. And it'll start making your cold sore or, blisters on your lips start to, numb them a little bit so you can deal with the pain. And I think the blisters, they usually last for maybe 3 days sometimes. This helps a lot. It makes it bearable. It really does. Like I said, it's not going to take it away, and it's not going to make it so you can't feel it at all, but it does help. It really does. I've been using this for probably around 10 to 11 years now, and I haven't used any other lip aid for cold sores or anything like that other than Blistex. I know there's a lot of them out there that are, probably pretty good. I don't know. I haven't tried it, but once I used this on a fever blister that I had, I didn't use anything else. I just kept this in the medicine cabinet and used this as needed, I don't get fever blisters that bad. Like I said, maybe twice a year, and it's due to, stress and whatever, but when I do get it, I do need relief. It hurts. So yeah, I like these a lot, and I got turned on to it by my sister, who saw me with the fever blister and I was complaining about it, and she had some at her house, so she gave me some and I used it, and it was great. It worked very well, and I was turned on by it. So I was like, okay, let me get some and I'll take it to my house. Yeah, so I like this a lot. It's very useful, and it came in really handy and makes it feel a lot better. Yeah, Blistex has been around for a good long time, and they're a good brand to use for this kind of problem. Yeah. All right. Well, we're talking about the Blistex Medicated Lip Ointment. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.